sir.
Hey, Rick. We're here bright and early, doing a little pre-work action here on the Bow River.
5 a.m. wake up, 4 a.m. wake up, 5 a.m. start.
Rick gave me the wake up snuggle.
Yeah.
Just rolled over and kicked me. It's all good.
The sun's gonna come up soon. Got a little water flow this morning. These big fish push to the banks. That's our goal.
And the guy's not very excited about getting up at 4:30. Tom says he gets up this early for hunting. That's about it. Fisherman, not so excited. We'll see.
Lions maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage. Possibly Rick's first fish on the Bow River. I don't think you've caught a fish yet, have you, on the bow?
Right, that's only on the water.
Oh, he's got the big skunk so far, so we'll see how this goes. But with the first one out, it's a good thing. First trout, Rick.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, bow. I'm taking 6 shots.
Better than 7 on the plus side. Nice fish. Well, there you go, Rick.
Dozen shots.
You better rub that all over your hands. That might be the only fish smell you get all day. Yeah, baby. Let me take a picture here, Rick.
You got. Well, I should.
Ready? Wait a second. What do you think, Rick?
Oh, good.
Little double action?
Double trouble.
Double
Now,
trouble.
if you want to come here, I'll take a picture.
All right.
If you tell me how.
I can tell you that. I'm gonna video you here, Rick, so you gotta say something about it.
Well, first brownie of the day.
First
All right,
brown.
let's get a picture of them.
Beautiful. You want a picture?
Yeah. Let's